going to create a clean barrier. I'm going to check for moderate temperature water. I'm going to line the sink. I'm going to put on gloves before I handle the dentures. I'm going to take my denture paste and place it, wet my toothbrush and place the paste on my toothbrush. I'm going to put my toothbrush on the clean barrier until I'm ready for it. Now I'm going to take my denture cup and pour out the water. I'm going to rinse my denture cup front and back and fill it up with moderate temperature water. Now I'm going to rinse my dentures and begin brushing. Want to make sure that we brush all surfaces of the dentures, removing all food particles. Don't forget to get the other side of the dentures. There, they look nice and clean now. I'm going to rinse my brush and rinse my emesis basin. I'm going to place my toothbrush inside the emesis basin and rinse my dentures, making sure all the denture paste is removed. Those look clean. Now I'm going to place my dentures teeth up and close the top, ensuring safety. I'm going to turn off the water and remove my liner. Now I'm going to remove my gloves without contaminating myself. Now I'm going to wash my hands. My skill is complete.